How to turn on or turn off family sharing to share your internet connection with other family members on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. Next in here, we go down and tap on connections. Then scroll down and tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. After that, tap on mobile hotspot, tap on the left hand side panel. Now scroll down and in here tap on auto hotspot, tap on the left hand side panel. At the bottom here, tap on family sharing, tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now to add in family members, tap on the left hand side panel, then tap on edit members, and here tap on invite. From the list of contacts, invite other family members to join. So go down the list here and select them. After that, tap on invite and then tap on OK, and that's it. So we have now invited them to share internet connections on your device. This will allow them to automatically use the internet connection on your device when you have them available. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.